Hello, this is Kathy Lee, Crafting with Kathy Lee. I just want to take a minute to show you something that Tula 12 has to offer. I am a brand ambassador with Tula 12. Tula 12 is organizers, planners, and lots of accessories. This would be considered one of the accessories. It's a deco kit. This here is a deco kit, but this is also a COP, a Create, Organize, and Plan kit. So the deco kits have paper and stickers and journaling cards, etc. This is a COP kit. So the COP kit has 2 papers, a sticker sheet, a journal card, a coaster, 3 die cuts, 3 wood buttons, and the extra Create It Yourself is a bookmark. And the extra items this month are washi tape, sticky notes, and a magnet. So let's see what we have here. So the COP kits begin the middle of each month, and they're only available for a month. So this particular kit will be going away maybe the end of this week. It did sell out, but I do see on the website today it's available. So get on. And this is the packaging. I would cut this out and I would use it for decoration. All right, here's the 3 wooden buttons. And they are wood burned, beautiful. Here is a fun tassel to add for decoration. Here are the 3 chipboard die cuts for decoration. Super cute images. This is the nice chipboard, heavy chipboard coaster. I use these for coasters, and I've also used them for mini album covers. So, and punch a hole, make an ornament. A couple of bookmarks. This looks like the old library card. This one, you could write the titles of the books you read and put it in your journal. Here's the nice journaling card. Reading is dreaming with open eyes. And here is the sticker sheet that you can use to decorate your planner, to decorate your journal. I use these particular ones for my weekly layouts and sometimes even for my monthly. Beautiful, nice, heavy-duty stickers. And the papers, ooh la la. Look at that. Beautiful. And just looks like script out of a book. Here's the second page. Gorgeous. So that is the core part. And I think this is the stuff you get if you order just the deco kit. And the deco kit is available. In addition, here's the extras that come with the deco kit. Or with the COP kit, excuse me. You got this washi. That is the book stack. And that's a nice thick pad of washi. We have a magnetic bookmark, a magnetic clip bookmark. Ooh, if I can get this open. Beautiful, heavy. These are heavy enough to put on your fridge, and they will hold a note on your fridge. So, very nice magnetic clip. And here is the washi. The washi says one more chapter and has the book images. So that is the COP kit. I'll set that aside. Now I'm going to show you some of the extras. This is the one more chapter embellishment kit. This is extra embellishments. And some stickers there. More of the die cuts. 2 more of each die cut. Different wooden buttons, I believe. And look at these. Oh, a lot more wooden buttons. Okay, 2 of each wooden button. There's a couple of bows and a couple of buttons. Real buttons, not wooden buttons. And then these cool book stack wax seals. That comes in the little mini embellishment kit. And this might be the one I will post in the comments. This might be the one that's available only to Perks members. If you want to know more about Perks, you can check out my website. So there's that. I have 2 more items I want to show you. This is one of our mini keychain planners. Our mini keychain planners are made similarly to our regular planner covers. They come with the keychain there. They come with the bullet journal inserts that go into the cover, just like our regular inserts go into our covers. Find the center, lift up the rubber band, slide it into the thing. There we go. Very cute, adorable. These make great gifts. They make good keychains. They make nice Christmas ornaments, and they're just a fun gift. And I would attach that on. So very cute, the keychain planner. The last item I want to show you is the pen pouch with elastic. And I will grab my everyday planner so I can show you how one of these works. This is a pen pouch with elastic. It holds pens, obviously. It also has this pocket here that you could put other stuff in. You could use this even as an ID. Put your ID and your money and stuff in there. Put other stuff in here. Used as a small wallet. Beautiful. It's a faux leather. And it has this big pocket here. And it'll go on any of our planners or journals. I will just grab this one that's handy here. You can just take it, put the elastic over the page, seals right up. Then you have a pen holder attached to your planner. You can attach it to journals, you can attach it to books, you can attach it to all sorts of things. So, there you have it. That's a look at the Just One More Chapter collection. There are also a few other items available on the website. Take a look. I'll post a link in the comments to my Tula 12 website. Thank you for visiting Crafting with Kathy Lee. This is Kathy Lee saying goodbye.